If you are an entrepreneur or you own any kind of a business, watch this video very carefully because this might be the thing that gives you a head start over your competitors in the market. Think of it as the best investment you have ever made for your business or your company. Hi there, my name is Siddharth and I have been working as a graphic designer and a social media marketer for the past 4 years. Let's just start with the basic fact that in today's world, without a presence in social media, I can assure you just one thing, your business won't be surviving for long. It doesn't matter whether you run a small business, provide any kind of services, or have a big national company. A presence in social media is just like oxygen that dictates a crucial role in your business marketing strategy. This video will give you a brief description about social media. Check this out. I hope you get how important it is to dominate all the major platforms in social media. This is the only thing that gives you an edge over your competitors in the market. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take some serious action.